And the Kia story is very common. It's very common with what happened here in Ghana. Ghana also started for Kia about 40 years ago, when the Odermatt family first brought a handful of Kia vehicles, actually in 1984, into Ghana. And then they became the official distributor for Kia in 1986. And ever since then, it's been a story of investment, of growth, of commitment. Make no mistake, Kia doesn't just allow people to assemble their cars. Normally, you would have to be Kia employed, Kia fully trained, Kia facility, Kia managed, Kia investment. This doesn't happen because the investment that you need in people, in training, in facilities, in know-how, and an absolute commitment that is needed to keep the quality right is tremendous. But I tell you, this facility ticks every single box in terms of what we need. The great thing about this facility, you probably figured, it's not just built for today. It's built for the future and built very much for what Kia needs it to be doing and what Ghana needs it to be doing. This is a facility that could be producing up to 70,000 vehicles. So we're focusing on growth. Kia's focused on growth. Ghana's focused on growth. Rana Motors is focused on growth. It's also built with sustainability in mind. It has a recycling of rainwater. It has readiness to take on solar paneling. Even some of the material that's used to deliver all these vehicles here has been recycled into this facility. Even this stage that we're standing on is recycled material from all the pallets for the vehicles. Very much in line with Kia's strategy for recyclement and for sustainability. Actually, this facility can do not only more volume, but much more complex assembly than what's currently required. That's what's currently required by Ghana or currently required by neighboring countries. This facility will meet Ghana's requirements today, will meet the Ghana's customers' requirements today, but for the future, it will meet not only the requirements here, but hopefully requirements all around Western Africa. So we look forward to that. And we look forward to the day that this facility is exporting. Thanking the Odermatt family for their investment, thanking the Ghana government for their strategy, and really thanking everybody that's been part of this. Thank you very much.